Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You are watching For You Take. So I was using the Nothing Phone 1 beta update. I unlocked the device and rooted to restore my Swift backup and the pen started. I lost my safety net. It's showing the safety net failed. I also lost device play protect certification and even I can't able to run any banking and the payment application on my rooted phone. Actually, this issue is faced by most of power users once in their life if they are using the custom ROMs or the rooted devices. There are thousands of videos available at the YouTube which tells us to use any banking and secured applications on the rooted devices. I watched most of them, some of them didn't work completely and some worked but they partially working, like some secure applications working and some didn't. So today I will show you the trick which will solve the issue. I tried this on my Nothing Phone 1. I tried the different banking and payment application after using this trick and most of them worked, so chances are 99% it will work for you, but I can't guarantee it will work for all. As I tested it for the few applications, so you have to test it personally and tell us in the comment section if this is working for you or not. Follow the video carefully without skipping till the end for the proper working of mod. Now without further ado, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
Before proceeding, your device must be rooted with the latest Magisk 25.2. If you are facing this issue on the non-rooted custom ROMs like the official Lineage OS, you need to first root your device. Download all the necessary files given under the video description and save them in the phone. Now open the Magisk. Here you will see the Magisk version is latest 25.2, but Magisk is not available here, so first step is to enable the Magisk. For that, go to the top right gear icon under the Magisk setting. There enable the toggle called as Magisk and then reboot the phone. Once done, if you goes to the Magisk once again, you will see Magisk status will be enabled as S. Now we need to flash the first Magisk module called as the K-Dragon Safety Net Bypass module. Hope you knows how to flash the Magisk modules. Tap on the right bottom modules icon. There tap install from the storage. Now locate the Safety Net Magisk module. Once it gets flashed, reboot the device. Now you will see under Magisk module section, SafetyNet module is active. Now download the SafetyNet application from the Play Store. There now check the SafetyNet status and you can see it's now passes the SafetyNet check. But job is not done here because if you run the banking applications like the SBI, Axis Bank, they'll still not works. It shows the error of rooted device. Even though we wipe the data of these applications or uninstall and reinstall these applications, still they didn't work. So to solve this, first flash the another Magisk module called as the Shamiko. Flash it and reboot the phone. So now Magisk has the two Magisk module active in the Magisk module section. Next we have to flash the LS-posed module and again reboot the device. Now three modules are active. Next we have to flash the another Magisk module called as the Magisk Side Prop Configuration. Flash it and reboot the device. After flashing all the Magisk module, you need to install the LS-posed APK. Open the application. At the top it will show you the LS-posed active version. At the bottom there are different tabs available, but we just need to check the active module section. Currently there is no active module available in the LS-posed application. Now close the app. Install another application called as the Hide My App List. Once installed as a normal APK, open it. Now it's showing module is not active. To activate it, go to the module section of LS-posed application once again. There you will see the Hide My App List application. Tap on it. Here we get the enable toggle at the top of the application. Toggle on and reboot the device. Once rebooted, we have to again go to the LS-posed module section. You will see Hide My App List module is active now. Open it and search for all the application that you want to make it work on your rooted device. Check mark all these applications. Here I activated it for the Yono SBI applications, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, PhonePe, Google Pay, etc. Now open the Magisk application, go to the settings and then tap on the configure deny list. Here again check mark same application that you check marked in the Hide My App List of LS-posed module. Here one important point is don't check mark Google Play Services and Google Play Store. It will break the safety net, so don't check mark these applications. Once done, now go back to the main settings of the Magisk application. Search for the Hide Magisk application. Here it will ask for the toggle on the allow from the source setting. Now rename the application as you wish. Here I changed it to the name as For You Take. Once done, Magisk app will reopen. Give it all the permissions. Now in the application door, we will see the Magisk with the grade of icon with the name we have given for it. Next, open the application setting of all the applications that we want to run on rooted device, and then wipe their data and reboot the device. Like here, I wiped the data for the Axis, SBI banking application, etc. So everything is done here. Now we'll check all the applications. First, I tested the Yono SBI Live, and surprisingly it's working without any issues. I did the whole setup of my account. You can check here, I am using the Magisk application with the root. Still it's working without any issues. Next I did the check for all the payment applications like the PhonePe, Google Pay, both are working without any issues. If it still gets the error, uninstall the application, reinstall them, and repeat all the check marks for the Magisk Deny and LSPOS My Hit List modules. Reboot the phone and check if they are working or not. In my case, all the applications worked, only HDFC banking application seems not working, even if I did all the steps repeatedly several times as I mentioned previously. So out of 5 secured applications, 4 are working and 1 is not working in my case. So chances of this mod working for you is about 99%. In exceptional cases, it may not work for you. You can mention in the comment section, is this work for you or not, with the application name. So we can add the successful testing of application list under the video description. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked my work. If yes, then please do like, share, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of amazing mods like this we did today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.